Good afternoon, guys. So welcome to my tutorial using Maple to work on some calculus questions, and I'm going to be doing it so you can see the steps using the software. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to load my package with then student. Sorry. Right. And then the reason for this column is so it doesn't show you all the options that are available with this package. If you take the column off, this is what you get. Put the column back on, and this is what happens. Okay, so it doesn't matter. It's just personal choice. Okay, so what I'm going to start off doing is I'm going to assign variables to my functions, so it's just easier for me to call them. Okay, so a, then that'll be some random number, 3x squared minus 2x plus log x. Then b, so let's cause x times, sorry, times 2x. Okay, and then f be sine 2x, and then my g, that'll be 2x cubed, okay, plus 4x squared, random number 9. So I'm going to make this more interesting. Then divide that by x squared minus 4. Okay, right. So I'm going to start off differentiating some of the functions. So what I'll do is type in diff and then a with respect to x. This is what I get. And then if I now do the differential tutor, so diff, so you can see the steps. A with respect to x. So the pop-up comes up, and then it tells you what goes on. So you just click on next step, keep clicking it, and this rectangle box will show you what's going on. And then keep doing that. Then here we are. So that's the final part. So that's our answer there. And so here we are. Okay. So if you click on close, it imports that into the worksheet. Okay. So I'll do my b function again. So that'll be b. Sorry, diff, and then b with respect to x. Okay, and then diff tutor. That's b with respect to x. So it's pretty much the same thing that I did earlier on. So here we are. Okay, then click on close. And yeah, so it tells you all the steps of what's going on. Okay, right. So I'll do my G one because that's no, I'll do the F one as well. So div. Okay, and then do the differential tutor. Right, so all the steps. So here we are. So essentially, if you just close it like that, if you just do that, it doesn't import anything. So so if you want to import something, just click on the close button. Okay, and then my G, so div, then G with respect to x. Okay, and then I'll do the differential tutor as well. Sorry. God, my bad, sorry. Yeah, here we are, so we got there. Okay, so So these are all the steps. Okay. So like I said, if you click on that, it doesn't import anything, but if you click on that, it will import everything into your worksheet. So these are all the steps until you get your final result. So this is using the quotient rule anyway. Okay. So now I'm going to do the integrals. So I'm just going to integrate the same functions. So int, then a with respect to x, and then I'll do the tutor as well. A with respect to x. So that's the indefinite integral. Okay, so next step. So you keep doing that if you want to see the steps. Okay, so here we are. So I'll close that. Then it imports that into your worksheet so you can see what's going on. Okay, and then I'm probably going to try and do, let me do the one with limits. So, okay, so I'll do, so int, then a, so x equal to 0 to 2. Okay, then I'll do the tutor as well. So 2. So that's a variable x from 0 to 2. So that's a definite integral. Okay, and then next step. So essentially the same, but then obviously after applying your limits. Right, so that's it. The problem is complete. Okay, so obviously that's 0. So you get that 2 plus 2 times log 2. Okay, then I'll close that. Then it imports that. So it shows you all your steps of how you solve the problem. Okay, and then I will do my f function as well, just to show you, like, just the final one. So f, and I'll use limits this time. So x equal to 0 to 2. Okay, and then the tutor part. My x values taking 0 to 2. So all the steps. So here we are. Okay, and then I'll just close that, then import that into your worksheet. Okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna try. I'll do a limit. So limit. Sorry. So limit x equal to 0. So we get minus infinity. So I'll do the tutor part. Okay. So the next step, like that. Yeah. So minus infinity. Okay. Then it imports all your functions and stuff. Yeah. So essentially, this is what you do when you you want to show steps and stuff here. So hopefully this is helpful for anybody that's watching. And if you got any questions, just please just leave me a comment at the bottom. And on a final note, I'm just going to type it in this message. So have a good Friday and enjoy your weekend. Right, bravo. So have a good Friday. Enjoy your weekend, guys. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.